Hello friends! It's me again, Teacher Lorie. And for today's lesson, we will read If Family. Let us name the picture that we will see on the screen. Here's the first one. Lip. Next one. Hip. Here's the next one. Tip. Next is rip. And the last one is zip. Name the picture that you will see on the screen by yourself. First one. Got it. Next one. Good. And the next one is? Yep, that's tip. Next. Good. Rip. And the last one is? Zip. Blending time. Listen to the first sound and you will help me say the first sound that you hear at the beginning of each word. Remember, we will read ip. Ip. Here's the first one. Lip. Lip, that's letter L. I heard L. Let's blend the sounds. L, ip, L, ip, lip. Next one is hip. Letter H. Let's blend the sounds. Ip, ip, hip. What's next word? It's tip. Tip. T. T. Let's blend the sounds. T. Ip. T. Ip. Tip. Next one is rip. That's letter R. Okay, blend the sounds. Ip, ip, rip. And the last one is zip. That is letter Z. Z. Let's blend the sound. Z, ip, z, ip, zip. Flipbook practice. Blend the sounds with Teacher Lorie. L, ip, lip. Read the word. Lip. Next one. Ip. Read the word. Hip. And next one is ip. Tell me the word. Tip. And this one. Ip. Say the word. Rip. And here's the last one. Z. Ip. Z. Ip. Read the word. Zip. Last part. Read ip words by yourself. First one. I heard it right. Next one. Perfect. And the next one is whoa. Here's the fourth one. Got it. And here's the last one. Zip. cheer for you. I call it seal approval. You ready?